Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for my Moto G7, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the Moto G7. I have a case from Tudia for your phone. I want to give a shout out for Tudia for sending this case to me for a review. Like I normally do on my case reviews, we will make sure that everything fits well. We will also make sure everything lines up and the power button and the volume rockers feel okay and make sure they work. We will also make sure that the fingerprint scanner works on this phone too. But let's get into this video. Nice little packaging from Tudia. Bam, if you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. Follow them on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. But here's the case. Yes, you have some branding on the inside, also on the outside. The back is that hard plastic. Man, let's see how this thing fits. Yes, you do have the lip action around the phone, all the way around too. Also, you have the camera hump, look at that, and the fingerprint scanner. The microphone at the top lines up. The cutouts at the bottom does too. You also have the cutout for the microphone on the back. The fingerprint scanner works. The volume rockers definitely work too. Easy to press, not hard at all. Bam! What y'all think about this case? It has the little grips on the side. If my S10 Plus will focus, look at that. Bam! Let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. Even on the sides, nice and snug. Okay everyone, so this is a nice case from Tudia for your Moto G7. It is the Merge case. I will have links in the description. That way, if you want to pick it up from Amazon, you can definitely do so. If you like this video, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Moto G7. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.